For those who are just starting out the ketogenic diet, it can be a bit difficult to know where to begin. With so much information out there and not much guidance, it can be a daunting prospect. Thankfully, we've got you covered. In this simple video, we'll give you a simple overview of the ketogenic diet and what you need to get started. From the basics of ketosis to some helpful tips and tricks to help you get started. Follow this video and you'll be set to make the most of your new diet in no time. There are many reasons why someone would follow a ketogenic diet. Some people follow the diet as a way to gain more energy, while others do it for weight loss purposes. For those who have high cholesterol or triglycerides, following a ketogenic diet is a way to lower their levels, which can be life-saving. Additionally, for people with epilepsy who have uncontrolled seizures, ketosis offers an alternative that can help them live more normal lives. Another reason why someone would follow keto is because of the many health benefits that come with it. With all of the different benefits that come with this diet, there's no wonder so many people are embracing it. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate, and moderate protein diet that has been proven to help people lose weight and improve long-term health. Ketosis is the metabolic state in which your body transitions from using carbohydrates for energy to using fats. This occurs when there aren't enough carbohydrates in the diet or when your body preferentially burns fat instead of glucose. Ketosis is the metabolic state that occurs when your body uses ketones as its primary source of energy. Your body will get into ketosis when you keep your carbohydrate intake low enough and restrict your protein intake. It's not always easy to know what level of carbs, protein, and fat is appropriate for you or how to get into ketosis. Ketones are the byproducts created during metabolism that can be used as energy in place of glucose, a sugar molecule derived from carbohydrates in the absence of sufficient insulin levels in the bloodstream. On a ketogenic diet, you should eat foods high in fats like meats, fish, eggs, cheese, and green vegetables including broccoli, spinach, and cauliflower. This leads to weight loss as well as improved energy levels, mental focus, and physical endurance. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more keto-related content.